Hi there. Hopefully in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your docking station is not outputting an image and just blinking the LED as you can see it here. Everything works apart from the video output, so the USB are working, sound is working, everything else is okay, but we have no video output from it anymore. And this is an HP docking station. So basically, from what I can see here, I'm expecting this to somehow have entered a sleep mode, standby mode or something like this, because the way it blinks is quite similar to how a laptop blinks normally. So what I will first try, I tried to unplug cables, video cable, powered off monitors, reset the laptop, reboot the laptop. Actually nothing helped. Let me try and power off this while it's still connected, it's still getting power. See if it does anything. Actually no, it's shutting down my laptop. So that kind of shows us that it is still working, but not doing what it should be doing. Let me try and hold the power button for a bit longer in here. Okay, I am holding the power button for about 5 seconds already. Let it go, press it again. Nothing seems to be happening. Okay, press it once more. The laptop is booting. I cannot show you the laptop is exactly above what I'm filming here on a stand. So the laptop is booting at this moment and this doesn't seem to be blinking anymore. Again, I did reboot the laptop, I did unplug the power from this. It didn't solve the problem. Now that I forced shut it off from its own button, for the moment at least it's not blinking. And in a moment I will tell you if I actually have image on my displays. So bear with me. Yep, I have image on my display. Let me quickly show you. Ta-da-da, external display. So now I can get back to working on the main display, not on the tiny laptop display. So somehow this actually remains stuck. Quite weird, but it seems to be happening sometimes. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always see you in the next one. Bye.